Welcome back. So like I had said, I'm working on the Fiero. Like I had said, the driver's door, I noticed on the passenger's door that I was able to get the lock cylinder all the way into the door, but I couldn't do that on the driver's door. So now that I know how to do it on the passenger door, I'm back on the driver's door to fix any mistakes. So yes, the lock cylinder wasn't all the way out to the outer side of the door. So ripped it apart. Let me show you what I found in the event that you run into the same problem. So I pull the door apart once again. I've pulled the outer skin. Can't do it right now. Unclipped two of these clips. They just squeeze from the inside of the door. And there is a little plastic rivet, I guess you'd call it. Now you can see that the lock cylinder is all the way out here. The reason why is the old one, the old face of the lock cylinder was still in there. So just as a heads up, if you're trying and you can't get it all the way in, take the door apart a little bit further and get right in there. Now you can see that cylinder is all the way in, and I'm pretty sure it'll clip in just fine. I would show you more, but it's very difficult to get the camera in there while my hands are in there. It's a very small space. You've got to have some mechanical knowledge to tackle it. Yeah, at least an idea of what you're doing. So again, this is the outer shell of the lock cylinder that I took out, the old one. And now you can see it is pretty flush. Let me show you that it works. Whew, keys are hot. Locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked. Same with the passenger side. Locked, unlocked.